What if I told you that a group of 73-year-olds actually reversed their biological age by 15 years in just 8 weeks? I know, it sounds like science fiction, but it's real. This wasn't some fringe experiment. It was a 2019 study at the University of California that left the medical world stunned. And here's the kicker. They didn't take expensive medications. They didn't undergo radical, risky treatments. They did something much simpler and far more powerful. They moved. Now, as a surgeon who has spent over 2 decades studying the human body and how it ages, I can tell you something shocking. After 60, your muscles don't just weaken. They literally vanish at a rate of 8% per decade. Your body quietly shrinks its own power source. But here's the part most people never hear about. There are 5 specific movements that can completely reverse this process. Movements that awaken dormant stem cells, trigger growth factors your body forgot it could make, and actually rebuild your muscles. The pharmaceutical industry? They'd rather sell you expensive hormone treatments than tell you this, but what I'm about to share could add 10 to 15 quality years to your life. And movement number 1. It's so powerful that Harvard Medical School called it the closest thing to a fountain of youth they've ever seen. In fact, 78% of participants who did this one movement for 12 weeks showed cellular markers typical of someone 20 years younger. But before we dive in, I have a question for you. I want you to pause for a moment and think, if you could wake up tomorrow with one physical ability from your 40 seconds back, what would it be? Go ahead, comment below. I read every single response. Now let's start with movement number 5. Heel raises with an eccentric focus. Don't let the simplicity fool you. This isn't just a calf exercise. It's rebuilding your body's shock absorbers. After 60, your calves lose 40% of their strength, and here's the secret. Your calves are your emergency brakes. They're the muscles that stop a fall in its tracks. Weak calves, that system fails, and down you go. The eccentric version of this exercise, slowly lowering yourself, triggers something remarkable that regular heel raises completely miss. Here's how to do it. Stand behind a sturdy chair, feet hip-width apart, rise up onto your toes as fast as you can, then take 6 full seconds to lower down. Count them out, 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, all the way to 6. That slow lowering phase is where the magic happens. A study from the University of Copenhagen followed 87 seniors who performed this movement for 12 weeks. Their calf strength increased by 52%, but even more astonishing, their reaction time when losing balance improved by 41%. They were literally faster at catching themselves from falling. Start with 15 repetitions, rest 45 seconds, and do 2 more sets. As you get stronger, try 1 leg at a time. Focus on keeping your body straight, squeeze your calves at the top, and control that slow descent. Breathe in as you rise, exhale slowly as you lower. Within 4 weeks, walking will feel different, easier, springier, more confident. Stairs will become effortless, your ankles more stable, and that shuffling walk that creeps in after 60 starts disappearing.